minute. This is one of those older models. Y'all see that? How many of y'all recognize this? Concorde. Y'all know what y'all know about the Concorde? I bet this thing got a 3.2 in it or a 2.7. Wow. Ticking noise, guys. Hey, you know how far. I detect sludge. Now, y'all know. Look at that. That is sludge, guys. Can y'all see that? Now, y'all know my way of really. The best way to check for sludge on a 2.7 is to remove the valve cover. But I have a trickier, even better way to cut down on time and things like that. Y'all know what that is? Cam sensor. The cam sensor rides. The cam sensor monitors the cam gear, which is inside the valve cover. So any oil accumulation or sludge buildup will also show up on that cam sensor. And see if it has sludge accumulation on it. Alright, so let's try to pry this out of here. Yes, guys, there's a little on here. Ooh. Yes, alright. I'm going to recommend we remove the valve cover, guys. I have to get a, yes, that is sludge buildup. Any sludge buildup on this engine, all bets are off. So I will have to remove the valve covers, guys. Oh, wow. Alrighty, guys. Yep, it's sludge, but not, I've seen worse. But still, this is enough to stop. Okay, I can't. In fact, I would get in trouble if I even tried to attempt a repair. Remember, guys, it has a valve train ticking noise. It's small, but it's there. And the customer brought it in for that concern, like it wanted fixed. No, they will not let me attempt a repair. So my suspicion was correct. It's probably worse on this side. I'm only gonna pull one side. I found this side to be easier. Remember, I removed the cam sensor on this side, and I saw sludge particles on it. That's what led me to believe I should go deeper. There's some sludge on this car. So yeah, ain't nothing we can do to this, guys. It's either engine or nothing at all. And this is a 04 model, guys. I forgot to mention that. You're not gonna find a decent price 04 model Chrysler Concorde. Remember that? Concorde 2.7 engine out. Okay, from what they got for me to tear this down was likely exceeded. I don't want to belittle the car owner. You know, I don't know, he might fire up YouTube and see me talking about his car. That's not my intention. But I'm saying things have to make economical sense, guys, from a financial standpoint. Is it worth it? All right, I don't know what they charged him for me to do this, but the car itself can't be no more than worth. I don't know. I'm not going to speculate, but I just wanted to get this off and verify my suspicions. It's not bad. Like I said, I've seen worse, but it is bad enough. Now, some of you will argue, the guy never got his oil changed. Guys, I'm going to tell you something about this engine. You can... So it was some people, I was around during the early years of this production when it was out, and people was bringing it in brand new sludge buildup. We had records of those people. Everybody, a lot of people was changing their own oil back then, but a lot of people wasn't. So we would go to their file and find out we are the establishment that was actually changing their oil. And for some reason, guys, it's about, a lot of it has to do with, I heard from engineers, is not driving it long enough when you finally drive it. Like if you hop in your car and it's cold, you run up the street to Quick Trip and you run back home and you shut it off, and it's a special kind of coolant you need to use, and all kinds of weird scenario as to why this engine just have a knack for sludge buildup. All right, now there's some guys out there that would brag on their oil that they use. Everybody have their own particular, I'm a Mobil 1 guy. Oh no, I'm a Pennzoil guy. Everybody got their own favorite oil. But And will your oil accumulate this? Now, the thinking goes, if you change your oil on time, you shouldn't do this. So, was this customer doing this? I can't say. Okay, but I can't say. It's not my call to make. You know what I'm saying? I have to stop. My point is, guys. So, but don't. It's just something about this engine. All right. Yes, distilled water, coolant, and this all kinds of scenario they was trying to come up with to combat that problem back in the early 2000 year model. That's when this car came out. It's a '04. So, but this car was out before then. People, like I say, shop was changing the oil and still finding stuff like this. So I don't know, but if I'm gonna say this, if they lasted this long, they did good. I'll put it that way. They obviously been changing their oil, but as far as a legit repair that we can stand by, I can't make it because of this. It could be simple rock arms. It could be the valve train ticking. Could be anything valve train related, but we can't. I'm not allowed to attempt a repair because of the sludge buildup. All right, guys. Yeah, ain't nothing we can do to this, guys. It's either engine or nothing at all. Ooh, righty, guys. Here we are. I just about got everything off. They need to come off. I got my chain ready. About to go get the engine horse, but it's time to lift this bad boy out of here, man. I'm just still a bit concerned, guys. Y'all know about these older cars, man. Just the tiniest thing just break every time you touch it. And on top of that, I'm going in with an older, uglier. Oh, I know you ain't supposed to judge by the looks, but it just looked extremely risky. Now, here's why I'm replacing it in the first place. He's complaining about ticking. So I get authorized teardown time. This is as far as I needed to go to tell what I needed to know. As in, if I see any amount of sludge, not just a little amount, yeah, it's time. We got to recommend an engine, guys. Now we did that. Now keep in mind, this is an older car. Yes, the customer said, okay, fix it. Got a deposit and everything. I'm just as shocked as you guys were, but I'm even more shocked about this, guys. This is what I'm going in with. Now, granted, again, we got some type of warranty on the engine, but I just don't like working double. I understand. Don't judge this by how it looks, but it just looks extremely rusty, guys. I gotta go for it. I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta put it in. So I put it in. I made sure it ain't locked up, seized up. That's why I got in trouble the last time. I didn't check it, so I rotated the crankshaft. They rotated. I guess that's good enough for the boss. All right, get it in. And here we are. So here's my engine horse. Let me set my engine horse up, guys. We're gonna get this engine out of here, man. y'all see, I got it out. I was snagging on something, guys. I'm not sure what the hell that was. I can imagine it was this ground wire over here, but I was so frustrated. I just yanked on it and pulled them. Oh my goodness. Ooh, all you young techs, make sure there's something y'all want to do before you get deep off into it, okay? Please make sure this is something you want to do. Now, it's real simple. I was able to leave one mount in. I see. Well, I didn't have it unbolted anyway, so depending on how you look at it. All right, let me get stuff transferred over because some of that stuff on that other engine I'm not going to use. And yeah, guys, this was a pain in the butt, but I got it out. All right. What's next? Break time. That's what's next. I'm about to chill and take a break for a minute, guys. This is mentally draining. Okay, I don't want to sound depressing. I mean, I'm supposed to be inspiring some of you guys. Some of you guys are aspiring mechanics, and if I'm not inspiring, then what good is it? So let me shut this camera off before I don't know, just frustrated sometimes, but I got it out. So okay, that can be considered a good thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break. No, a real break, not just where a commercial come up or ad or something. No, I'm about to go take a real break. And then when I get back, I'll start transferring this stuff over to the other engine and get it back in. I wanted to knock this out as quick as possible. All right, so y'all stay tuned.